Alright, so I made that video earlier, having found the newest case of Jada pink slips 164 cars, and I didn't buy all 6 of them, but I did buy my top 2 favorites. You might be shocked that I didn't buy the black Porsche, but it's just really, I'm so over flat black. It's primer, it's not paint. It's just annoying. Anyway, we got the 68 Camaro, and we've got the 1965 Shelby Cobra. The Roadster, the 427 Roadster with the big fat one fenders. Let's crack these things open. I did not see that coming. We got a 68 Charger with 69 style marker lights and taillights. So clearly just a 69 with a 68 grille, and even that's not entirely accurate, because that's looking like more of a 69 grille than 68. And then the Cobra has an opening trunk, which is that's a choice. Alright, so we're gonna do a trunk instead of the hood, I guess, because everybody else has done an opening hood. They're trying to be different. Don't mind my ink covered hands, by the way. So yeah, I don't know. I love both of these. I do actually like them, even though I'm criticizing them. They did do the right thing in terms of giving us side view mirrors. Not on the Cobra. Actually, yeah, no, the Cobra has one too. Holy cow, good for you guys. Look at that, Jada is really stepping up their game. So we got a side view mirror on the Cobra, and then the Charger has them on both sides. Look at that, perfect. That's all you need. That's all I ever asked for. Nice. So again, these are not super accurate, but they are awesome. And I can appreciate the Cobra chase being I mean, that chrome finish, it's nice. And it's pretty cool. The Charger is sort of a plum crazy purple with a little bit of iridescent in it. I like it. Almost looks like it's a elephant under the hood. Let's take a second look. So let's turn on the flashlight. Then we'll zoom in. What are we looking at here? And I can't really tell. Not detailed enough to really. I mean, it's fine. The hood opens. That is neat. I like it. Wild. Pretty cool. I like him. Attention to detail is pretty awesome. Did a very nice job. Alright. Again, I didn't buy the 2021 BMW M3, the sports sedan, or the C7 Corvette Z06, or the Porsche 911. And I forget what the last one was. I'm forgetting one of them. But I want to say Bugatti, but that doesn't seem right. I don't know.